So this is my second day in Vegas, and I just checked into Renaissance Hotel, and here is my room. I asked if they have any upgrades available, and this is what she gave me. I don't know if it was the room I was supposed to get or what, but this is my room. This is bathtub, shower, no shower. Oh, stand-up shower over here. Toilet stool. Stand-up shower right here. Walk out the bathroom. Got decorations on the wall. Coffee maker. I need that. What's in there? Oh, coffee stuff. Yeah. Have that for later on tonight. Then you got ironing board. Oh, I like that picture on the wall back there. That wallpaper. Somewhere to sit your luggage. Hangers. Your TV. TV and mirrors. A really nice room. It's spacious too. It's not so big, but it's spacious. Broken lampshade, but it's okay. I'm not worried about that. King size bed. So from here, it's all the space you got. It's the bed. See what kind of view we got. Ooh, it's a nice view. Oh, strip view. Yes. Get that on here at night.